Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today we are going to press our Sublimation Santa sack right after this. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to press our Sublimation Santa sack. This is 26 inches by 19.5 inches. So perfect for sublimation. Today we're going to press in two different presses. So Meredith is going to show you how.
Okay, first we went ahead and we put some silicone paper inside to keep it from sticking because linen has a tendency to do that. First, we're going to use our print that we did with our sawgrass printer, and we're just going to tape it on here with our thermal tape. And then when you're pressing, to make sure that you hang off your cords here, just so you can get some even pressure. We are going to press at 385 for 60 seconds with medium to high pressure. And here we go.
So we do have instructions online for this item. So definitely check those out. If you do have questions, always call our technical support team. And another fun festive item is our holiday sweater. So be sure to check this out as well. It does come with a nice white patch, perfect for sublimation. So if you're handing out your Santa sack or just at a holiday party, giving to a friend, this is a perfect gift.
Okay, be sure to remove your transfer immediately. And now we're going to place our second image, which we did print on the Epson 570. And again, we're going to go for 60 seconds. We'll cover it with silicone.
Okay, so while we press this one, also be sure to check out our video that we have done on the artistry markers. We do have a wide selection of ornaments, so you can definitely purchase a pack of artistry markers, decorate them yourself, perfect for, the kids out there, art classes, camps, things of that nature. So check those out. And then just for general sublimation, perfect for family photos.
Okay. There we go. Then we'll just want to remove the silicone that we have inside.
And now you have one big Santa sack, perfect for all those little gifts. So again, we do have a lot of holiday items, so be sure to check those out at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you.
Happy holidays.